Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've really been getting into product reviews lately, so I might as well show you guys some products that I'm loving for the house. Today we're going to be covering my beautiful Wagner steamer, so if you're interested, keep watching. But before we do, make sure you subscribe down below. Let's get into the video. A couple months ago I purchased this Wagner steamer from Amazon. I actually got this used because the original version is like $100 and something. I ended up paying maybe like 70 bucks for it, so you get a pretty good discount if you do the Amazon like refurbished. It's a phenomenal steamer, and I'll kind of show you guys what we're going to be cleaning today. So this is my stove. Obviously you can see the top right burner is the Favorito. We already know that. Yesterday, this burner wasn't working anymore. So I told my husband, and he's like, oh, did you lift it up? I'm like, what do you mean, did I lift it up? No, I didn't lift it up. So I'm gonna take off these. This is new to me. Did you guys know you could do that? What? Let me just turn this on. So down here, all the gunk. This is what we're going to be cleaning today. So yeah, I want to take you guys along with using this steamer, actually cleaning something that is actually dirty, not one of those videos where like, let me clean this part of the grout that's already clean. Boring. Let's get into the video though. Okay, so this is heating up. Once this orange dot is gone, just the red, then we will begin steaming. Oh, there's Mr. Bear. He wants to help us out today too. Mr. Bear, what do you have to say to the camera? Just kidding. Love you. So this is the side we just did, and we did that in 4 minutes too. I'm gonna fast forward it in my video, but just know that this whole thing was done 4 minutes versus this side is what it looked like before. So all that goo, the steam really lets it liquefy and easily move away with a paper towel. And I highly, highly recommend this machine because not only can you clean this, inside of your microwave, fantastic. And again, it's one machine. You're only using water, so it is non-toxic. Look at me in the reflection, hi. Here's a little up close of the nozzle too, so once you spray it. So my overall review of this product is it's phenomenal. It cleans so many things. I really like it in the bathroom as well. I can steam clean whatever. Obviously you saw my dog in here too, and it's non-toxic. It's fantastic. You literally put distilled or spring water in there, don't put tap water, and press go and you're ready to roll. And it has a bunch of different attachments too. There's even this one, kind of like a copper head. Not a copper head, but a little bit more scratchy if you have like some stuff in your car or whatever. But yeah, multi-use machine. You don't have to buy any more cleaning products, and it really gets everything nice and clean. So this Wagner machine, I absolutely love. I did try the Bissell Quick Shot. Had to take it back, didn't work, not enough power. So that's the biggest thing with this one. You're gonna get a lot of power. There's a really long extension cord. Super long, so you can attach it wherever. And then even the body of this is super easy to carry. And then the hose itself is super long too. So you could also like clean your car if you wanted to, any little kid stains, think of juices, think of things like that, or for dog stuff as well. So I give this machine a 10 out of 10 review. I will link it down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.